Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I was just thinking about the roster reveal video and I thought I just made a video like 15 days ago and my rosters are out again for the month of June. Like time flies, really time flies. So yeah, I was excited for the roster of June because as you all know, I have got my US visa and I will be getting US flight, which I did get, and the destination is exciting. As well as Saheem's roster is very interesting this time. He's got very diverse flights to different part of the world. So do watch this video till the end to know where we are flying in the month of June. Without wasting any time, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. So for all those of you all who are watching this video for the very first time, let me tell you how I'll reveal my roster. For example, if I say I'm going to Mumbai, which is my destination, I'll say Mumbai, India. So the country it falls under. So at least if you don't know the destination, you would know the country, and then if you want, you can just do a Google search and make it your bucket list destination as well if you like it. So I'll tell my roster first and then followed by Saheem's roster. So my first flight of the month is to Manila, which is in Philippines, and I think I've done a turnaround. I'm not sure actually, but yes, I think this is my first layover to Manila. I think I've done a turnaround, not a layover, but this is a layover flight. And then I have a few offs, and then my first US destination, which I'm so excited. And look at my smile whenever I say my first US flight. My smile is like touching my ear. So it is to Seattle. I didn't expect this flight, but I'm so happy that I got Seattle because this is actually my bucket list destination, because I used to watch this series of all the doctors, the Grey's Anatomy. I was so obsessed with it. I thought once like few years ago that I really want to go there, but I never thought that it would be my first destination. But yes, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And it's like a long layover. It's like a 50-hour layover. So yes, you can expect some good vlogs from there. After that, I have a few off, and then I have a turnaround to Riyadh, which is in Saudi Arabia. This one is like a short turnaround. After that, I have a flight to Brussels, Belgium, which I am looking forward to because this is a beautiful destination. And then I have a day off, and then I guess I have few can-use, which is like standby. So if I get a flight, I'll be pulled out, I'll be notified. But for now, it is just can-use. And then my last flight of the month is to Chennai, which is a turnaround to India. And that's it for my roster. I think I've got a pretty good roster this month. Like I got US, I got Brussels, I got Manila. So I think like I'm getting a taste of Asia, and then I'm going to US. Then as well I'm going to Brussels. So I'm covering different parts, not only one place. Let's go on to Saheem's roster, which is more interesting than my roster, frankly. So the first flight that Saheem is doing is a multi-sector flight. So for all those of you all who does not know what is a multi-sector flight, is that for example, I'm going to Dubai, Mumbai, and then Mumbai, Delhi, and then Delhi somewhere, and then back to Dubai. So you're kind of covering multiple destinations in one pattern and then coming back to Dubai. So that is called a multi-sector flight. So the first flight that Saheem is doing is he's covering Dubai, Accra and Abidjan. So Accra and Abidjan is in Ghana, and he's covering these two destinations, and this is like a 4 to 5 day flight. He will be coming after 5 days, and this looks like a cool destination because it's like a longer layover. So after that, Saheem has a few off, and then the next flight Saheem is doing is to Abuja, which is in Nigeria, and this is also a layover flight. After that, he has a few off, and then he's doing a turnaround to Maldives. Such a beautiful destination. He's doing a turnaround. Like although it is a turnaround, but I really wanted to do this flight because at least you can see for takeoff and landing the beautiful islands and water, coast and stuff. But yes, so he's going to Maldives, Accra, Abidjan, Abuja, and the next flight is he's going to Amsterdam, which is in Netherlands. Oh my god, like And this is not it, he has more flights waiting. Let me just complete the roster. But my god, he's having like a mixed platter in his roster. So the next flight he's doing is to Paris in France, and this is also a layover flight. This flight is right after the Amsterdam flight, so like there is no break in between. He'll be coming after Amsterdam, then he'll be going to Paris, and after that he has few Canyus, and that's it for the roster. I feel Saheem has got really lucky in this roster. He's got such mixed flights and good destinations, let me tell you. Usually people try to swap and get on these flights, and he had got roster all these flights. I'm really happy. Right now he is in India, but inshallah whenever the flights are open, he'll be coming soon to Dubai and making vlogs on layovers and be flying soon. So that's it for the roster reveal. I hope we are flying to certain destinations which is in your bucket list, and if it is, do comment down below and let us know. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have watched till now, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe the channel. Also, leave a sweet comment down below and appreciate our hard work. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Until next time, take care, bye bye.